Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Anaconda Navigator on Windows 11, quick and easy. So let's get started. To install Anaconda, first open your web browser and navigate to Anaconda's official website. Click on the download button to start downloading the installer, which is approximately 787 MB. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and start the installation process. Click Next, agree to the license agreement, and choose whether to install Anaconda for just yourself or for all users on the computer. Select the installation location or use the default, then proceed with the installation, leaving advanced options unchecked if preferred. After the installation completes, open Anaconda Navigator by searching for it in the Windows menu. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.